Losing hair can be an emotionally challenging experience for many people. Hair loss can affect self-esteem and make people feel insecure about their appearance. If you have reached this video, is because you are looking for more information about the Folifort supplement. First of all, you should be aware when buying this supplement. Due to its great success, many pharmacies, sellers and websites are selling it falsely. You can even find Folifort on websites like Amazon or similar, but the original product is sold only through the official website. Aging is inevitable, but hair deterioration does not have to be. Folifort is formula that contains various active ingredients such as antioxidants and minerals that protect the scalp from irritation and work to rejuvenate the follicles at the root, working for both men and women. With Folifort, your scalp will receive the necessary nutrients to support healthy follicle growth and enjoy fuller, stronger and brighter hair regardless of your age. In 7 years of research, Folifort manufacturers have united 12 100% natural ingredients that together provide more volume, shine and softness to the hair. Taking this supplement consistently stimulates the scalp and revitalizes hair follicles, promoting the growth of thicker, shiny and voluminous hair. It also prevents hair from thinning, fraying and graying. The antimicrobial properties of Folifort also protect the scalp from irritation and dandruff. Just take 2 capsules every day after eating the evening meal with a glass of water and wait for the results. You will love the feeling of looking in the mirror and seeing your hair full of life as when you were a teenager. People will praise you and ask how you did to have such healthy hair, and you will answer that thanks to Folifort your hair looks like this. The official website is the only reliable means for purchasing this supplement. The link is in the description of the video, and in it you can get more scientific information and have the opportunity to buy it at a good discount. See that the more bottles you buy, the bigger the discount and the longer your treatment is guaranteed. Remember that the results begin to appear between 3 and 6 months of use. Something that can make you even safer is that Folifort manufacturers offer a 60-day warranty. If you find that you have not had results, you can contact customer service and request a refund. Many people are seeing their scalp strengthening and their hair strong and shiny thanks to Folifort. As each bottle is manufactured in an FDA and GMP certified and registered facility, for each production of a new batch a certain time is required. So if you choose to buy this supplement, you should act quickly before it runs out. Now that you already know everything about Folifort, you can access the official website in the description of the video and make the decision that will bring you back the pleasure of looking in the mirror and seeing your hair as strong and radiant as before.